Welcome back to another episode of DPKIDS with Minudhi. We're ready to draw something today, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, of course. So we are starting today with a new art, and as we always do, today we're here with children to draw something nice and to make sure that we give an art-instilled generation, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Do people watch the show? Do your friends watch?
Yes, my friends watch.
Yes, they do. It's a very famous show now among little children. Of course, you can join our YouTube channel, of course, and subscribe. And of course, you can talk to us if you would like to join the show with us as well. And we'll respond to your comments very soon. With that, Minudhi, shall we quickly start drawing?
Okay, let's draw.
Without further delay, let's get started. And have you been to the zoo before?
Yeah.
Have you gone recently though? Or is it much before because of COVID?
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yes, it's been a while since you've gone. Well, of course, when we go to the zoo, we see little animals, and of course, we have an animal with a long neck. Who is that?
Giraffe.
Giraffe, yes. And the giraffe is, of course, the iconic, animal with a long neck that we know of. We're going to draw a giraffe, and we're going to draw it in its very own habitat in a way that it can be perceived as a cartoon character, yeah? Okay. Right. Let's get started then to draw this cartoon-like giraffe. Yeah, we'll get our platinums first and then color, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's get started then with the eye, shall we? Yes, from over here we're going to start off with a tiny circle there. And of course, from there it's an oval first. Right. And then from there we're going to, of course, draw a tinier circle there. And of course, draw a tiny dark bit over there. That's one eye. Okay. Right, and now of course this is one eye, and we're going to come to the left side of it as well, and we'll draw the rest of the body first. This is going to be the head and the neck, like this, starting from here. Okay? See if you can try it. It's okay if you get it wrong, that's okay. We're here to try and learn. And from over here, we're going to draw this tiny knot over there and then come back like that. That's the hair, isn't it? You've seen it, right? The tiny fur. Yes. Alright. Now, of course, from over there, we're going to come over here with another stride. And now, of course, there's the rest of the head, and that is a tiny horn on top of it, yeah? Okay, done. Now what we're going to do is, of course, draw the two ears. One of the ears is going to look like this, yeah? Alright. And then, of course, we have to add a bit of accent to it. Now we're going to add the most important part, of course, from over here. Now be very careful, from right here all the way down. Be very careful. Down all the way until we come right here.
But wait, does the giraffe have a long neck so that it can eat from tall trees?
Yes, definitely, because unlike other animals, the giraffes are tall so that they can, of course, eat the tall trees. Yes, because that's why. It has
a long tongue too.
Yes, it has, of course, a long tongue as well. That's the best part about it. You've definitely observed the giraffes quite a lot. Ah, there we go. Make it a bit longer. Okay. Right. Now what we're going to do is, of course, add some more features, which is the rest of the neck from over here. Down all the way until over here. Yes, alright. Now, of course, from this point over here, we're going to draw the body. Here's how it'll look like. Right. Now, from here, we're going to draw the rest of the body like this. And we'll leave some space. Why have we left it? Yes, we're going to draw the tiny tail over here. There we go. Now, of course, we can add the rest of the features of the body over there. Yes, and then, of course, then come the legs from over here. There we go. Over there now, yes. Brilliant. And then from over here, we join this and then bring the leg over here. Yeah? There. And we have another leg too, yeah? Yes, we do. We're going to add that over here, like this. Yes, brilliant. Now we can add the other feet at the front too, shall we?
Yeah.
Alright, done. And then we're going to draw this over here, like this.
Is this correct?
Alright, perfect. High five. Alright, brilliantly done. Look at how beautiful this giraffe is. Little children can do this. That's what we're trying to show here from DP Kids. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what we can do, of course. And we can add some more features if you want. Some nose, features of the nose here. And then, of course, you can add more features for the head. Like that. Yeah. Beautiful, isn't it? Yes, and now let's color it, okay? We'll color it nicely, shall we?
Okay.
Right, first, of course, let's get yellow. It's very important. Let's get our colors up. Alright, first we're going to draw yellow. Yeah? Shall we?
Okay.
Okay, let's color it.
But wait,
Yes.
it has spots, right?
Yes, there are spots. We'll add the spots later on, of course, with dark brown, okay? But before that, we'll draw the yellow first. Later on, we'll draw that. Alright, we've done it. Shall we then draw the brown then?
Okay.
Alright, now of course, let's add the spots. Yeah, from this color. You've seen them, right?
Yes.
Yes, they're going to look like this. Tiny, tiny spots, yeah? Let's add them up. Now there's something else we have to do.
What is that?
We have to bring the brown and add a line outside, shall we? From over here, like this. Let's solidify the shape. Like that, see? You can add all the shapes that we drew earlier.
Don't they have spots on their legs?
No, when it goes below, they don't. They have it everywhere else except at the bottom. Okay, you have to be very observant now to notice these animals. What else?
I drew spots on their legs.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, with that we drew a beautiful, amazing, simple giraffe, didn't we? Shall we show them?
Okay.
Yes, look at that. Look at how simple and nice it is. Anyone can draw it. That's exactly what we're showing, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, and that's why we urge you to watch our YouTube channel, go back to our videos and watch them as well, of course, because it's very important that DP Kids teaches you this, because knowing those things is very important as little children as well, because little children anyways need to learn all of this, how to make sure they're doing all of this. Minudi, how did you do that?
You can go to our YouTube channel and subscribe and watch our videos. Of course, click the bell button. And then you can leave a comment, like, and please share.
Comment as well, yes, and that is of course once after you leave the comment, we will make sure that you can come here as well. Yes, and with that we'll of course await your reviews, your recommendations while you watch DP Kids from the comfort of your home. Until then, we'll see you with another episode of this amazing creative new show called
DP
Kids.